Good day everyone, this is Geotechnical Engineering set number 3 about confined or unconfined aquifer. Mabilis lang po ito, madali lang po itong topic na to, direct sub. Kaya let's get started. So question, a confined aquifer is shown below. Mamaya po papakita ko po yung figure. This aquifer has a source of recharge and the hydraulic conductivity of the aquifer is 35 meters per day. Ito pong hydraulic conductivity na to is K po yan. Symbol of K. With a porosity N of 25%. The piezometric head surface in the two observation wells 1,000 meters apart. May distance daw po yung mga piezometric head ng 1,000 meters apart are at elevation 75 meters and 65 meters respectively from the common datum. The aquifer has an average thickness of 4 meters and an average width of 4 kilometers. Question 1 or letter A. Determine the nearest value to the rate of flow of water through the aquifer in cubic meters per day, which is the Q. Hinahanap po dito yung Q. Letter B, determine the nearest value to the seepage velocity in meters per day. Hinahanap naman po dito yung V sub S. And letter C, determine the nearest value to the time of travel from the head of aquifer to a point 4 kilometer downstream in days. So, let's get this started. Given N is 25%, K 35 meters per day, solution. Ito po yung figure natin. Ito po yung elevation. Binura ko lang po kasi kinuha ko lang rin naman to sa ibang problems. Nag-iba lang talaga yung given nila. So, 75 meters, 65 meters. And then, ito po yung recharge niya. Ito yung aquifer. This is on the confined aquifer. 1,000 meters yung distance nila apart. And then, yung thickness naman niya is 4 meters. Ayan po, pinakita ko, medyo na-late yung order ko dito. Dapat kanina pa yung lumabas. 4 meters, yung width naman, sabi dito sa instruction, average width of 4 kilometers. So, converting it to meters times 1,000, thus 4,000 meters. So, letter A, determine the nearest value to the rate of flow of water through the aquifer in cubic meters per day. So, ang hinahanap po dito is Q. Tip ko lang, kita nyo naman, no, ang haba po ng question natin. Pero, minsan po kasi kapag nakakita ang student ng mahabang tanong, natatakot na sila. Pero, kung titingnan nyo po talaga itong problem na to, direct substitution lang po ito. Kailangan nyo lang mag-memorize ng formula and easy peasy po itong problem na to. So, determine the nearest value of the rate of flow. Ano bang formula ng Q? Di ba alam natin? Q is equals to KIA. Yung K, yan po yung sinasabi ko kanina na hydraulic conductivity na 35 meters per day. Ano yung I? I is H over L or head loss over length. Ano yung head loss? Di ba meron naman ditong elevations? So, yan yung head loss. The difference between the two elevations. So, 75 minus 65. Ano yung length? Yung distance nila apart, 1,000 meters. Sige, solve natin to. 75 minus 65 over 1,000 meters, we can get 0.01 meters. Ito naman, area. Ano po ba yung area nito? Saan ba tayo kukuha ng area dito? Area is simply just width times thickness. Ano po ba yung width? Di ba po ang width natin is 4 kilometers. Kinonvert natin sa meters, kaya naging 4,000 meters. Yung thickness naman natin, 4 meters. So, 4,000 times 4, we can get 16,000 square meters. And that is the area. Meron na tayong K, meron na tayong I, meron na tayong A. Direct substitution lang po. 35 times 0.01 times 16,000 square meters. We can get 5,600 cubic meters per day. That is the final answer. Letter B. Determine the nearest value to the seepage velocity in meters per day. So, direct substitution rin naman to. Ano bang formula ng seepage velocity or V sub S? Ang formula ng V sub S is V over N, tapos papalitan lang natin yung V na KI over N. Given naman yung N, ano ba yun? Porosity, 25%, K, 35, I, na-solve natin kanina, 0.01 meters. Direct substitution, wala nang makakapigil sa inyo. Final answer, 1.4 meters per day. Naka-meter per day naman yung 35 and naka-meters naman to. Wala naman tong units, so goods tayo dyan. Okay. Last question. Determine the nearest value to the time of travel from the head of aquifer to a point 4 kilometers downstream. So, ang tinatanong po dito is time of travel. Di ba sa mechanics natin, tama ba? May formula tayo na velocity, mechanics nga ba? Physics pala, sorry. Physics po natin. Velocity is equals to distance over time. Ang hinahanap is time. Di transfer ko lang dito yung time, tapos ibaba ko yung velocity. So, time is equals to distance over velocity. Yung velocity, 1.4 meters per day na yan. Ano yung distance? Yung distance natin, di ba sabi dito, up to 0.4 kilometers downstream. Ibig sabihin, ito yung distance niya. Convert natin sa meters, 4,000 meters. So, 4,000 divided by 1.4, we can get 2,857.143 days. Syempre, wala namang decimal points sa days. So, rounding up, palagi pong round up yan, 2,858 days. And that is the final answer. Maraming salamat po. Sana po ay nakatulong po ulit ako sa inyo sa pagre-review. Huwag po kayong mag-give up sa inyong goal na maging civil engineering. Andito po ako para suportahan po kayo lahat. Maraming salamat po. And see you on the next video. Goodbye!